Good morning to all of you. As regards the COVID-19 management, normally the government of India has used so many methods. One such is whenever you make a call to your friend, normally you will be hearing a ringtone about the use of COVID-19 vaccine and please get vaccinated, like that the message will come. But normally it takes a lot of time, maybe around half minute or 1 minute. It will be irritating to us also. Now, it has been observed by the Delhi High Court also. Of course, during this pandemic time, so many people have come up with so many propositions or so many public interest litigations are being filed, and in that connection, while dealing with one such public interest litigation filed by one Muslim, Faisal Muhammad versus Union of India and also Government of National Capital Territory Region Delhi, the two judges bench of Delhi High Court, so Justice Vipul Singhvi and Rekha Palli, they have actually commented adversely on the caller tune. So their questions, why this irritating caller on the vaccine? Who will get vaccinated when there is no enough vaccine? Say, if there is vaccine, okay. If there is vaccine drive, normally the central government has stated that vaccine drive will be from such and such date to such and such date. But they could not provide 100% vaccine even that particular point of time also. But whenever you make a call, this irritating voice or caller message is being coming, and this has been adversely looked into by the court also. The court stated like this: you have been playing that one irritating message on the phone whenever we make a call, or whenever one makes a call, you have been playing that irritating message. Why? Because we do not know how long you should have the vaccination. So we do not know how much time it will take to get vaccinated when you do not have enough vaccination. Why all this nuisance? That is the question put up by the so-called Honorable High Court of Delhi. Right? So actually, no doubt, you have to educate the people. In what way? You should post some graphic material, or you should play some video, or you should give it in the newspaper. Actually, the audio visual of Dr. Guleria, who is a famous expert in this medical newspaper, so you have to play the audio visual of Dr. Guleria. It should be televised on the Doordarshan or the news channels. And actually, it is the duty of the central government, of course, on bar the central government, it is the duty of the state also to ensure that such messages will go into the public. Actually, the messages to be like this. Now the concentration is on the oxygen cylinders or oxygen concentrators, oxygen cylinders. Then regarding the masks, so regarding the other aspects, you are leaving and just get vaccinated. So the advertisement should be what type of oxygen concentrator we have to purchase and where they are available. So locally available, and you should fix up some ceiling price for the oxygen concentrators. So the pathetic part is that we very recently have seen in the press, and gentleman, his son sent it from USA, and these people, actually the cost is around 1 lakh or so. Our GST is worth about some 60,000 or so. Then he requested the court to direct the government to waive the so-called GST on this particular thing, but the government did not do so. Very recently, it has come in the press also that our Honorable Finance Minister, she says that it is in the interest of the public that there should be GST on things like this, oxygen concentrators or so many other material which are necessary for the COVID-19. Still, they want to impose the so-called tax. It is very horrible, whatever it is. So, the Delhi High Court says, yes, the audio visual of Dr. Guleria, they should be so-called broadcasted. Right? What type of concentrates we have to buy, what not to buy, what to do, what not to do, do's and don'ts also. Very recently, Dr. Nageshwar Reddy, with the collaboration of AIG, his hospital is AIG, he has prepared a beautiful booklet on the so-called COVID-19. Like that, the government should pursue the matter, but not in this way. The caller tune is irritating. The problem is, suppose whenever you want to give certain information, important information to your relative, till the caller tune is over, other people will not get the dial tone. So this causes almost 1 minute time. It's a very irritating one. So you might have seen in the press also that social media, somebody while he was dipping into the water, he makes a call to his father, but before this advertisement has come, and before it dials, the dialing started, he has totally drowned into the water. This is the bad with the so-called caller tune. Anyway, it has irritated the Delhi High Court also. So why don't you stop this caller tune? I don't know whether the government will stop it or not, but it is an observation made by the Delhi High Court. Thank you very much.